What's up, guys? I'm back again, guys, with another video, guys. Yeah, this video I'm starting from DXY, guys, because due to NFP news on Friday, so there are clear picture of movement due to that news release on Friday, guys. All right, so but we are starting from weekly time frame, guys. So we are doing top-down analysis. So for this, my FOREX forecast for this week, guys. So we are currently on weekly time frame on DXY. So let's check the correlation between DXY and GBPUSD. So through the DXY means dollar strength, or some call it dollar index. So from DXY we know the dollar strength, and then we can predict our move on GBPUSD or USD based currency or put currency, guys. So that's how it works, guys. Alright, my name is Fortune. I'm a professional forex trader, and then I share analysis on my forecast every weekend so that we can know the next move during the trending days, guys. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get into the video, guys. Alright, now we're on the weekly time frame, guys. As you can see, we have a break of structure at this point on the weekly time frame. So after the break of structure happened, then I said something, guys, yesterday on my channel. If you are in my Telegram channel, so or my WhatsApp or maybe on my status, I said something about the NFP. I said I'm expecting bullish, like more buys on the XY. Like I want to take to have strength. Do you know the reason why? Because there's a 2 zone on H4 in which I'm expecting price to hold during that news event here. So during the news event, I'm expecting this zone to hold the price, but unfortunately price break below the zone. So that's just it. If you are part of my channel, so you know that I said something on Friday about this zone. Alright, guys, so let's back to our weekly time frame, guys. Alright, we are currently on the weekly time frame and we are on DXY. So check if you see something on the weekly time frame. You have this supply zone here, and it has been retested but not fully retested because we are on the weekly time frame, guys. So I call it top-down analysis, and from the higher time frame to the medium time frame and to the lower time frame. So we're gonna do this analysis from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame to the H4 time frame and to the hourly time frame. Alright, so price tap into this weekly supply zone and react, and then it got into this little demand zone, guys. You can see that this little demand zone, guys. So after the tap at the little demand zone, I can see price react. Yes, I can see reaction in this little demand zone on weekly time frame on DXY. So after that, as you can see, you still have some liquidity here also below the zone. Here's the liquidity. Here's the liquidity below the zone, and then so that's all for the weekly time frame. And then below the zone, there is our weekly demand zone again. Can you see that? Yes, on this weekly time frame. So that is zone. So let's move to daily time frame. Don't forget, we are still on DXY dollar strength. So we have to refine the zone, as you can see. So let's refine this supply zone. So like I said earlier, I said this supply zone is not fully retested on weekly time frame because we still have some imbalance here. Like we still have some open space in which I'm expecting price to fill up the place. Alright, so let's refine this one also to delete. Let's refine it. So let's adjust it. Alright, guys. So as you can see, price got reacted from this zone, Now let's move to H4. So that's the way we can analyze very well. So we just use the weekly time frame and the daily time frame to know our direction, guys. So this on H4 time frame, as you can see, let's refine this weekly demand zone. As you can see, we have this small imbalance and with a gap filled. Yes, price fill this gap. You see, price fill this gap, and then price reacts at this bottom, in which I'm expecting what? Long on DXY. As you can see, long. So that's I'm expecting price to go long on DXY like this. Alright. So I'm expecting long on DXY. So I'm expecting price to move long from here to here. So for the confirmation on DXY, this will be the confirmation on DXY. We have to move to hourly time frame. So once price break this high, this less high point like this, then we can switch to long side. So that's the that is all for on DXY. As you can see, price tap into this little demand zone and react. Then we have a push up. So, but not fully break of structure on the hourly time frame, guys. And then for the SSTP, maybe TP1, TP2, or to consider maybe shorts, you can look for maybe possible shorts at this point. Or at this point, but the overall idea is here. So I'm expecting price to move to this zone. So I have to refine it to H4, guys. So let's refine it H4. So you have to define the zone. Okay. So with the key level of 500, yes. With the key level of 150,500. That's the key level. No, I normally use key level. So with the key level of 105. With the key level of 105,500, guys. Alright, guys. So I'm expecting shorts from this point. From this key level, I'm expecting shorts. Can you see now? I'm expecting shorts from this key level, but there must be maybe a consolidation at this point, or at here, or at here before the full tap on the XY. Now, what are the correlation, or what's the correlation DXY and GBPUSD? So let's move to GBPUSD. Now we are currently on GBPUSD, guys, and yeah, let's clear the charts. Alright. Now we are doing this analysis on GBPUSD on weekly time frame. So as you can see, here is what we have a supply zone at the top of this liquidity on weekly time frame, and if you check the below, you have some push up from this point that break the structure After the push up, you see a supply zone that got tapped, and the push up and the liquidity below the zone. As you can see, we have liquidity below the zone. So as below the zone, we have this weekly supply demand zone. If you check very well on DXY, you have liquidity below, but on GBPUSD, you have liquidity at the top and below. But what am I expecting on GBPUSD is that if you check very well, we have this supply zone here that break the structure on GBPUSD. So we have to move to daily time frame, guys. So here on daily time frame, we have to refine all zones. Yes, I have to refine it. There's a little supply zone here, which GPS tapped due to news on Friday. This little supply zone got tapped, yes, and break the structure. We still have some little supply zone here on daily time frame, guys. So this is the little supply zone on daily time frame. In which I'm expecting price to tap into it. So as you can see, price get into this daily zone, daily supply zone, and then after price break the structure of this consolidation at this area, and then price broke the structure and tap into this daily zone, and then pull out the zone, and then give us a sign of rejection at daily time frame. So we have a daily demand zone, and we still have another daily demand zone on liquidity, in which I'm expecting price to tap into this daily zone and then take out this liquidity and get into this daily demand zone that I'm expecting. But what are my confluence for the short? On DXY, we are expecting long. Don't forget, guys. Do you see that? Long. But on GBPUSD, it's short. Yeah, it's short. But what are the confluence that I'm expecting on GBPUSD? So after the tap of this daily demand zone, price rejects. So let's move to H4. Now, here we are on H4. Let's find the zone. Yeah. After the tap of this demand zone, so price clears some liquidity here. As you can see, we have some liquidity here, double top, yes, at this point, and then price cleared the liquidity with this wick, and then give all the structure change on it, which means this will be my TP1. If I should target here, TP1. And this be my TP2. But trust me, this trade is a swing trade. This trade is what is a swing. Yes, it's a swing trade. So, where can I find entry on GBPUSD? So let's move to our time frame. So after the tap, price have not yet completed the structure, completed the bearish structure, like the bearish reversal that I'm expecting to see before I get into this chart. So I can't just sell or buy when I see a candlestick giving me bearish structure. I need some confluences. Although price have tapped into our daily demand zone and supply zone rather, and then break structure, clear liquidity. Yes, that's the first confluence. And I'm seeing some bearish rejection, guys. So what I'm supposed to wait for is that I'm expecting price to break below this less structure like this, I want price to break the structure, then give me a retracement to the maybe a supply zone that caused the break of structure, then I can set my limit order, then we can take it to this place. First TP1, done. After this TP, then I can expect price to take out this liquidity. Yes, after the liquidity take, then you can target this TP2, guys, on this trade. But this trade is a swing trade. So for a day trader, you can target maybe hourly demand zone or forward demand zone if you want. So if you're a day trader, you can target here or here or here or here, or even here. You can target anywhere you choose if you're a day trader. For if you're a swing trader or intra-week trader, or maybe you are a positional trader, you can just target this TP1 and TP2. TP1 cover about how many pips? As you can see, it's about 200 pips, guys. 51. So TP1 is about 200 pips. While from TP1 to TP2, so from TP1 to TP2 is about 300 pips. So I'm expecting more than 500 pips on this trade. But there's something I have to say. Don't expect GBPUSD to move about 200 pips in a day. No, it can never happen. These 200 pips may happen maybe in a week, or even 2 weeks, or even 3 weeks. So that's how there's difference between swing trader, or scalper trader, or positional trader, or day trader. So if you're a swing trader, then you can hold maybe for a week or for 2 weeks. But if you're a day trader, you have to open trade within the day and close it up. But if you're a scalper, just like 5 or 10 or even 2 hours or 1 hour, and just open trade and close it within an hour. That is for scalper. But if you're a positional trader, maybe month, 2 months, 3 months. So based on your confluences. But for me, so due to my system, I can swing, I can be an intro week, I can be a day trader, and I can be a scalper based on my system. So guys, I'm expecting short on GBPUSD after the break of this below with the confluences of DXY. When I see price break above this week or so, then I can say DXY is moving upward this point. And yeah, with the key level of 1.0500. First is this TP1 on DXY and the TP2 that I'm expecting price to react. So I'm just expecting, yes, I'm expecting price to react from this zone. So this is where I'm expecting price to react. So on DXY, but on GBPUSD, so I'm expecting sell from here to here, and then if price reacts from this place, give me bearish signal, or so this is TP1 and this TP2. I can say something like this. Then, so alright guys, that's all for today. So my idea for this week is short. Last week I said buy, and the buy occur. But unfortunately, I'm too busy that I won't even take the buy because I'm busy, extra busy. I just want to wait for extra confirmation and price. I had a miss entry on Monday. So, yes, on Monday, in which I missed the whole buy on it. But thank God, no losses on GBPUSD. But for this week, I'm expecting shorts. So you have to sell from this point, TP1, TP2. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Fortune. I'm a professional forex trader, and then send analysis on GBPUSD, which I call it my FOREX forecast every weekend. So which means we can know our next move during the next week, during the next trading days, so that we won't be caught off or maybe any losses. So that is why it's good to be analyzed and back test very well. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comment section about this trading forecast, please, and then subscribe guys. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye.